Hey everyone, I am Jonathan Guest, Director of Sales here at Heartland RV. Today we're going over the all-new model year 27 Sundance 24ML. I really love this floor plan. It's one of our top sellers because of the weight and the length on this. It's only around 8,000 pounds and you're sitting around 29 foot 3 inches. So just a great product that you can really tow with just about anything and a great price point. So I'm gonna show you, not only can you get great value, but there's a lot of content in this. And we did a really good job for model year 27 of bringing in some really kind of peace of mind products and just giving you a durability of build that we're kind of expanding on from the stuff we already have. So let's start right up here at the front. Full fiberglass front cap, of course, with these beautiful orange lights. I love that all integrated. You're gonna have a ton of pass through here. That's where your batteries go and all that setup. As we come around to the side, we're gonna have the obviously fully laminated, beautiful sidewalls here. They're gonna be 2-inch sidewalls on a fifth wheel. You're gonna have two 30-pound LP tanks, one on this side and one on the other side, and they both fill at the same time from that angle. And this pass through, for a little 29-foot fifth wheel, you're getting a really nice pass through with this Duragrade bottom here. You have access to run your plumbing down through on either side. Both have motion sense lighting here. And I'm gonna touch on solar real quick while we're looking at this. So you do have a 200-watt solar panel, and that comes with a 30-amp controller. The nice thing about this solar package is it's expandable, all right? And that's all up on the roof. All you do is plug in another panel and you can get 400 watts using that same 30-amp controller. So a couple really nice options for you, and there's an inverter prep in there as well. So let's move on. Of course, we're gonna have the power awning, and just to touch on real quick, of course, those are gonna be adjustable, and they have the auto rain dump feature. Everybody loves these new steps that pretty much everybody's using now. We do give you this added feature of having just a nice light step at night, so you don't have to have this big light, bright light up if you don't want to. So extra large grab handle, and here's where I'm gonna start to talk about some of the stuff we do on a unit that's gonna be very price conscious. We're really still keen in on the things that are important to you guys. We use a CRE 3000 suspension system, okay? That's super important, that's new for model year 27. Not only that, but we're still doing the galvanized steel wheel wells, so if we do have some road hazard that happens and the tire blows out, we're still protecting this whole space. You're not gonna damage your sidewall or anything else because we put the galvanized steel all the way around that whole encasing. And of course, you're getting these really nice aluminum wheels as well. So moving around to the back, on the 24ML at 29 feet, we know that this is small, so we're gonna access all the storage we can. So we're even putting just a nice little storage point here. You have a 110 outlet if there's something you wanna put in there, like a little mini fridge or something like that. One of my little soapbox features, I like having water access outside, of course, because this is where we're gonna spend most of our time. I think sometimes you kind of get the water hose feature though. It's only the cold water. On this setup, you get the hot and cold. So if you need to wash pans, wash the dog, wash your feet off or whatever, you have access to hot and cold water outside. I think that's a great feature. And being a camper myself, I really enjoy it. So on this particular model, we're gonna go through just a little option features here. On this particular model, you're gonna have the power stabilizers on the back and the full electric landing gear in the front. You can option this with the complete auto level system, okay? So that is an added feature, obviously added cost there. So if that's important to you, we do have that available in the Sundance XLT line. So moving on to the back of the 24ML. Another feature that a lot of times when you get into what we're gonna say, we're trying to get to a lower price point in this fifth wheel space, which really this is gonna be about the cost of a travel trailer, which is really nice. But one of the things that they're gonna take off is some sort of receiver hitch or something. We don't do that. You have a 2-inch receiver hitch here for you, which is awesome. You do have the ladder prep, rear camera prep, and everything set up on this back wall. But I love having that 2-inch receiver hitch. That way I can throw my bikes in there. A lot of these e-bikes are becoming popular now. You have the load rating for that. Everything's set up and good to go. On the off-door side of the unit, just a couple things I want to touch on really quick. Of course, we're going to have that dual access to this nice pass-through here, but we do have an on-demand water heater. That's a hot button in the RV industry right now. Does it have on-demand? Does it have a tankless water heater? And it's a good question, and it's something that I think I want to expand upon just a little bit. Remember, when you're getting an on-demand or tankless water heater, that those BTUs make a big difference, because for every 1,000 BTUs is how much warmer it will make the water that's coming into your coach, okay? So this is a 60,000 BTU, which means it can warm that water 60 degrees warmer. 60,000 is the way to go. That's a really nice system. It's going to be able to run that. So when you want your temperature at about 110 inside the shower, this can get you to that because of that large BTU capacity. So moving on, just a couple of more things here. Plastic wheel wells, and you do have access to all your plumbing and stuff like that through on either side. One thing before we go inside, I want to touch on, because this is one of the most important things I think that matters to me as a buyer if I'm going to buy something, is what's the quality? What are these guys putting into the process of building these? This is a lot of stuff going into this big unit that you're going to take down the road and put your family in and everything else. Our PDI process right here is repair, reservice, rapid response. We PDI every single unit here, that it goes through rigorous PDI. So when we say a PDI, what does that mean? That means it's getting a full inspection, okay? Every single unit. Historically in the RV industry, it's been, we'll PDI some of them. If there's an issue, we'll do it. We don't do that here. We literally take this through everything. And what this peace of mind gives you is if we do miss something, we work on a rapid response. Parts are coming within 24 hours. We're there for you because we want to get you out camping. We know you have a finite time to be with your family. We want to make sure you can go out and enjoy that. So by seeing this stamp here in the warranty for full-time RVing, which also means we've tested this from 0 to 100 degrees, okay? There are going to be some weather. I'm from Minnesota. Sometimes the weather gets really bad. But for the most part, you have a great peace of mind to go take this camping wherever you want to go. And remember that we're here for you throughout the manufacturing process and then after you purchase as well. So let's go check out the inside. All right, we're inside the model year 27 24ML Sundance XLT fifth wheel. Excited to show you the inside of this. Remember, it's only about 29 feet, 29'3" to be exact, and about 8,100 pounds. So this is a little unit with a lot of storage that I love to show you because I camp and campers know that storage is king. So right out the gate on the side here, you are gonna have some audio. So before we get into storage, let's talk about audio. You have some really nice speakers up front here. That's something that a lot of times in a price point piece, or if we're trying to take some money out to save money, we're gonna get rid of those speakers. You have a nice audio system. Of course, it's all gonna run through your phone and run through the TV. That is standard on this model as well. You also can pop this out and get a little bit of storage. I'll show you that real quick. These are just in place here so that this thing stays nice and secure while it's going down the road. But you have a little bit of hidden storage back there. This really nice booth setup. I love these stringless blinds that just go up, super simple to use. Love that. In this booth, storage under there as well. Just a great seating area. Again, in this small floor plan, sometimes you're only gonna get the sofa and they'll put those little cup holder, little tabletops in here. This setup, you do get both, which is nice. Let's get into the kitchen and all the storage because I love that. You got 2 drawers here already, right? But we're putting drawers and cabinets everywhere in this thing. So a ton of overhead storage, which this is super useful when you're camping. And the one thing I'm gonna touch on while we're up here, again, remember this is something that's always gonna be in Sundance, hardwood doors and hardwood drawers throughout with this really nice hardware. Love the hardware. The one thing we stepped up for model year 27 is all your drawers here, they're gonna have the dovetail fittings, okay? So no more staples in here because we already took that extra step of doing hardwood instead of having that paper wrap fronts where there's moisture, any kind of condensation gets in, then it kind of ruins that door or drawer front. Well, we took the next step and dovetailed the drawers too. So extra sturdy, gonna work for you for as long as you have the camper. So going through here, look at that storage back here. You got a couple more drawers in here, and I love these kind of drawers. Those nice pull out, super functional. And you even have a little guy right down here. So we're using every part of this unit for storage, and that was a ton. I feel really good about that. There's even more I'll show you in a second. But first, we're gonna touch on the 11 cube 12 volt fridge. Again, we talked about on the outside that solar system. So we have that 200 watt solar with that 30 amp controller. That's going to do a great job of running this fridge and running your lights while trickle charging your battery. And look at this, I love this. Again, when I tell you we're using every single nook and cranny of this thing, we are, because we know that you're gonna use every single nook and cranny of this thing. So moving on, I'm gonna talk about the sofa. Of course, we all have sofas in these things, right? But typically what they're gonna do is you're gonna put a 60-inch little theater, kind of nestled up, all crammed up. This is really nice. Look how big this is, 74 inches, okay? So these all pop up, even the middle. So these sides are gonna pop up and recline for you, but even the middle one does too. A really nice feature. So we can all sit and get nice and comfortable here. And look at the seating directly across from the TV. That's how we want it. So then I'm going to move on. I told you more storage. There's even more storage through here, which is really cool. Look at this massive pantry. I told you there's more storage. Look at this. It's got a motion sensor light in there, which is really nice. So that's going to shut off automatically for you. But again, this thing is 29 feet, 8,000 pounds. I showed you the whole kitchen storage and all that set up. And the really cool thing, just a little side note, you can write your little marker on there. So if you got some grocery list or something you want to throw in there, you can do that. A nice little bit for where you want to put your coffee maker or whatever you want to do here. More storage, more storage. And while we're right here in this section, we can see that our heat is coming not from the floor down here. We're going to run all that ducting and cabinets or everything else, so that way you don't get trash and things like that falling in here. Which also brings me to the AC. One of my soapboxes, I have a lot of them, but this is one of them, is the really loud ACs that we use. It's great that we have them because it can cool the unit, of course. But if we have the opportunity on this model to do that whisper quiet, and you can always tell it doesn't have the big center register, just has 2 returns on the side, that's gonna run and I can have the same conversation I'm having with you right now, and that thing is cooling the unit. We all know, we've been in the one that when it's real hot and you're running that thing full bore, we're talking like this and just to have a conversation. So it's really nice to have that feature. Again, that's one of those things at a price point like this, which is an awesome price point. You're usually not going to get that sort of upgraded AC system. You certainly do here. So now that we covered the whole kitchen area and all the awesome storage and everything else, let's go check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Here in the 24ML bathroom, look at this massive shower. I love this. And these really easy close shades, really nice to have so you don't have that nasty curtain in the glass that you got to try to wipe down all the time. Love this feature because it wicks that water off as it shuts, which is really nice. We put just a nice decor feature on this with some nice towel hooks here. Of course, you're going to get a porcelain toilet, not a plastic toilet right there set up for you. And some good storage for a small space right here. You get some dual storage that's nicely set up. You're going to have storage behind the mirror itself and more storage down here. And of course, I will touch on one of the really cool, smart things that our product directors have done is where do I want to adjust the temperature for that on-demand tankless water heater? You'll go into some RVs and it'll be out in the living room. It might be in the bedroom. You don't know where it's at. We have that located right here where it should be in the bathroom, which is an awesome feature. So when you're out there RV hunting, take a look and see where that on-demand water heater setup is, because it should be in your bathroom. Something to think about. We're in the 24ML bedroom, and when I talk about storage in the kitchen, I'm going to talk about storage in here as well. But first, the mattress. This is a really cool mattress. It's something that we came out with for model year 27. It's a copper cool mattress. As we all know, RV mattresses don't tend to be super luxurious, typically because we know that you're going to have a specific type of mattress you want. Some people want harder, softer, whatever. But we do want to give you a good quality mattress in the meantime with that copper cool feature. It's something nice, a nice upgrade for you if you just want to go right out and camp before you get an opportunity to maybe get something for yourself. But let's get into that storage. Storage, you got a massive door here with some hanging storage with an adjustable shelf. 2 big, huge drawers here, again with those dovetail fittings. And with this wardrobe slide in the bedroom, look at that, more hanging storage. And I just love this little countertop space. We're all gonna use it, something to hook up to, whatever you wanna do. Another set of drawers here. Even got a little window so you can check out. I love that cubby, it's a very thoughtful appointment. And down here you have storage as well. And up here you have storage as well. And just little touches here. Of course, you're going to have these huge end tables for anything that you need to hook up here. You have USBs and USB-Cs. And you have a ton of storage underneath the bed as well. That is strutted, so when you do lift it up, it's not going to fall right back on your stinking head. So the one thing I love about this 24ML, and you guys have heard me say it a ton, is storage, 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 storage. It is such a great feature. And remember all the peace of mind we're giving you. A 1+3 warranty, that full PDI. Every single one that comes on the lots have been all PDI'd. Rapid response system that we use here at Heartland. And just all the other features we have. You have so much to check out. We have some 5-core, all the sidewall construction and everything else at heartlandrvs.com. Please go on there, check out all of our YouTube videos, and thank you for watching.